Hi everyone, Merry Christmas! I'm so excited to celebrate this Christmas season with all of you and to share my very first shoebox for the 2025 Operation Christmas Child season. Today I'm packing a very special box that is a theme I've never done before. It is a Diva Dinosaur themed shoebox for a little girl aged 5 to 9. I absolutely love how it came together and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's dive in and spread some joy together. I recently ordered my son a new pair of dress shoes, and of course I was so excited for the nice shoebox they came in. My neighbor generously donated some gorgeous peace, love, and joy wrapping paper for my shoebox efforts. So let's get to wrapping this box up and start its transformation into a little girl's special gift. If you'd like to learn how to wrap a shoebox with an attached lid, I'll link a how-to video in the description that I made this past year. It's not too hard once you get the hang of it. I can usually wrap one in about 5 minutes, but here it is sped up for you. While I often use the standard Operation Christmas Child red and green boxes or the Sterilite plastic boxes, these wrapped shoe boxes just add a special, extra nice touch. I hopped onto Canva, and if you don't have this app yet, I highly recommend it. It's super user-friendly and perfect for all kinds of projects. I quickly searched for some dinosaur images and put together this shoebox lid design in just a few minutes. To match the Diva Dinosaur theme, I added a pink background and some girly fonts, and it printed out beautifully. For extra durability, I mounted it on fuchsia cardstock before taping it onto the lid. Also, these double-sided tape rollers are a game changer for attaching lid designs to shoeboxes. This style here is available on Amazon in a 4-pack for about $7. I'll include a link in the description. They're definitely a handy item to have on hand when you're packing shoeboxes. To get the perfect fit for this lid design, I started by holding the design against the lid, lining up the bottom of the design to the fold in the shoebox, and I put a little crease on the paper where the cut needed to be on top. Then I used my paper cutter to get just the right fit. This step ensures a clean and professional look. Adding a lid design is totally optional, but I love it as a fun and easy way to give the box that personalized and special touch that Operation Christmas Child encourages. It really does dress up the box. And if you're not into designing your own, there are tons of free printable designs available on two of my favorite Facebook resource pages, OCC Shoebox Packers and Sending Shoeboxes, so be sure to check them out if you haven't already. So here's my beautiful box ready to pack, complete with custom lid design and special wrapping paper. I really love how it turned out, but now for the more exciting part, the items to go inside. The wow gift for this special little girl is a stunning, fairly large purse in a royal blue color with a shimmery reptile-like texture on the front. It's by the brand Palmkins, and I found it brand new with tags at a local thrift store for just $4. It has pretty star zipper pulls and 2 zipper compartments, one on top and a smaller one in the front. What makes it even more exciting is that this bag is designed to look like a pet carrier, and when the child opens it up, she'll find adorable plush dinosaur friends waiting inside to meet her. They are each a little different in style and color. There is a blue Triceratops with shimmery spikes. There's also a pretty yellow pterodactyl that has shimmery wings, a bright green reflective T-Rex style dinosaur, another similar style but with a very soft fabric that's light purple with tie-dye accents, and I believe a Brachiosaurus in a teal color with red and pink spots. There's also a longer shoulder strap included inside the purse. I'm already in love with this box. These little cuties are ready for hours of play, and this is definitely a wow gift for a 5 to 9-year-old girl. The next item which really makes the box shine is this beautiful navy dress with a brightly colored dinosaur print and pretty ruffled sleeves. I got this on Temu for $3.49. It's a size 7/8 and should fit most of the children in this age group as it's a little bit large. I just love all of the vibrant and fun coordinating colors in this box. I also added 2 of these Dino Buddies plastic dinosaur toys. I found them at the Dollar General for $1 each. I love their style as they look a little more cartoonish and cheerful than some of the other similar dinosaur toys in the stores. Plus, they're at a great price. I also found this set of dinosaur bracelets for $1.60 on Temu, which adds a girly and adorable flair to the theme. Then to tie it all together, I included a set of 6 brightly colored headbands that I recently purchased at Dollar General for $3. I had planned to split them up between multiple boxes, but the colors matched this dress so well that I decided to include the whole set here. For a meaningful touch, I added a pretty purple cross necklace from Oriental Trading. I love to include these cross necklaces in most of my boxes. Lastly, I put together a little hygiene pack with a comb, toothbrush, and washcloth, and I sealed it with a Jesus Loves You sticker that I get off of Amazon. These practical items also add another layer of love and care to the box. Next up are the school and art supplies for this dinosaur-themed box. I added this bright pink pair of scissors to her pencil pack as a last-minute addition. The star of the art supplies is this adorable Diva Dinosaur coloring book from Dollar Tree. I first saw it on Dee Rogers' channel, and when I spotted it at my local store, I was so excited. The pages feature precious girly dinosaur images and even include some pretty stickers. It's just perfect for this theme. I also found another coloring book with a dinosaur on the cover set against a pink and sparkly background. While it doesn't have all dinosaur images inside, I think she'll enjoy both options to color and have some variety as well. For school supplies, I included a bright purple notebook. These were a great deal at Staples over the summer at just 35 cents each during their back to school sales. There's also a 24-pack of crayons from Target, as well as a pencil pack with a variety of items. In the pencil pack, I included 2 pencil sharpeners, a glue stick, a slap bracelet, several different markers, some smiley face erasers. I had these dinosaur vinyl stickers from previous dinosaur-themed boxes, but I picked out the girliest ones for this one. Some smiley face stickers, a dinosaur stencil from Walmart's party favor aisle, 4 pencils with cap erasers, and 2 black pens. This combination of art and school supplies will hopefully inspire lots of creativity and learning for this little girl who receives this box. So here are all the items for my Diva Dinosaur shoebox. Let's see if I can fit it all in the box. After a few tries, I realized I needed to roll up and rubber band the purse to make it fit better. I felt a little out of practice, even though it's only been about a month since I packed my last box for the 2024 season. But after several attempts, here is my very full Diva Dinosaur box. It was just too full to include all 5 dinosaur plushies, so I decided to keep one of them out. But don't worry, I already had a special purpose in mind for this little green dino. Before closing up this box, I made sure to include one of the most important parts, a personalized note and photo to the child. I pray that she feels the love from us and from Jesus when she opens this gift. I also didn't seal the envelope because the inspectors need to open them when they're at the processing center to check for money. Now let's rubber band this box shut and I'll show you my plans for the green dino friend. I'm focusing on sending more filler items this year, and this little green dino seemed perfect for that mission. I paired it with a pink Dollar Tree cup, these come in a 4-pack, and I added a pink cross necklace inside the cup as well. To tie it all together, I printed the same design I used on the shoebox lid, but resized it smaller. I cut it out and tucked it into a cellophane gift bag with the cup and plushie. For extra security, I rubber banded the bag closed, and then I used the sparkly twisty tie that came with it for decoration. And there you have it, my extra filler item gift. It's perfect for any age girl, which makes it easier for processors to use when they need to fill up a box. I also added a special extra touch to my Christmas shoebox. So here are my 2 special gifts under the Christmas tree this year. I pray they go to just the right children and bring the love and salvation of Jesus into their hearts. Merry Christmas, shoebox friends. As we look ahead to a new year, Let's remember that our work in the Lord is possible only through His strength, and therefore we will reap an eternal reward. Until next time, enjoy your holiday season and happy packing. Bye!